Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to walk you through how to factory reset your Google Pixel 8 Pro. I've just upgraded to the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If you haven't already, you might have seen the comparison between these two devices on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and if it hasn't been published yet, make sure you're subscribed. You'll be able to see that video when it's published. But let's get to the fact of the matter. I'm going to be giving this phone to my wife as an upgrade to her Google Pixel 7 Pro. So I'm going to take the Google Pixel 8 Pro and factory reset it. Now, the first thing to do is pull down the notification curtain, and at the bottom, once you've pulled it down again, you'll get that little cog for settings. Go to Settings, scroll to the very bottom, go to System, scroll to the very bottom, and you will have an option for Reset Options. Now, what I'm going to do here is erase all data. So that includes all my accounts, all my things on the device. So I'm going to erase all data. And then it's not even going to ask me for my fingerprint. I need to put in my personal identification number. And once you've done that, it will suggest that you erase all data, give you the warning that you can't undo this action. I'm going to go ahead with that. And essentially your phone at this point restarts, and it will erase all your personal data. The latest version of the Android operating system on this Google Pixel device will stay there with the latest security updates. But then after a few moments, you reset the device and it's like a new device to the next person who's using it. Now, whether you're trading in your Google Pixel 8 Pro, or you're selling it, or you are giving it to a loved one, and this is a very lovely gift to a loved one, my recommendation is you double check that SIM tray to make sure that it doesn't have one in there. You don't want to lose your SIM card, because that's what ties your phone to the network. So I'm a bit sad of saying goodbye to the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's been a fantastic smartphone. It's had almost a year, actually 10 months of continuous service. And after a few weeks of work running alongside the Pixel 9 Pro XL, now is the time to give it to my wife. So as you can see, now you get to the setup screen. If you'd like to see what the setup experience is like, you can see the video where we went through the setup of the Google Pixel 8 Pro here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And thanks for watching if you made it this far in this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything we think makes the travel experience better. Great, thanks for watching again. Goodbye.